Today the National Gorkhaland Committee को हाम्रो meeting भएको थियो, in which being a think tank, as the National Gorkhaland Committee is a think tank, we had invited all the regional political parties of Darjeeling Hills. This but the people who had the parties which had attended are the Akhil Bharatiya Gorkha League, the Gorkha National Liberation Front, the CPRM, the Jan Andolan Party, the Gorkha Rashtra Congress, the Indian National Congress, and the Sikkim Darjeeling Ekikaran Manch. आज को मुद्दा और आज को एम बेसिकली यो थियो कि we were trying, the endeavor was to try and create Gorkha unity, मतलब कि keeping the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections in mind. The aim was to draw consensus so that all the political parties are on the same platform. त्यसपछि then decide on a combined kind of a strategy कि कसरी अगाडिको elections लड्ने. And towards this end, I think we have achieved tremendous goals today, for which the secretary of the NGC उनले तपाईलाई brief गर्ला.
Thank you.
Over to Manish.
Thank you. Hotel Little Tibet मा दार्जिलिङ मा आयोजन गरियो, जसमा जनरल गुरुङ साहबले भन्नुभएको जस्तै यहाँका सबै पोलिटिकल पार्टीहरुको पार्टिसिपेसन हामीले पायौं र उहाँ सबैलाई हामी धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौं हाम्रो निमन्त्रणामा उहाँहरु आउनु भएकोमा. हाम्रो आजको एजेन्डा एक पोइन्ट एजेन्डा थियो कि आउँदो लोकसभा इलेक्सनको सन्दर्भमा यहाँ हामी सबै मिलेर कुनै प्रकारले एउटा सहमतिको रणनीति तयार गर्न सक्छौं कि सक्दैनौं भन्ने कुरोलाई एक्सप्लोर गर्ने हाम्रो आजको एजेन्डा थियो. र यस एजेन्डामा आज पार्टिसिपेटिङ पार्टी सबैले विस्तारमा बोले, आफ्नो आफ्नो पार्टीको विचार राखे र यहाँको राजनैतिक माहौलको पनि विश्लेषण राखे र सबैको वृहत चर्चापछि, सबैको विस्तारको चर्चापछि हामीले एउटा निर्णयमा हामी पुगेका छौं कि यस लोकसभा इलेक्सनको विषयमा हाम्रो कमन कन्सेन्ससलाई क्रिएट गर्नको लागि, हाम्रो कमन स्ट्र्याटेजिक कन्सेन्ससलाई क्रिएट गर्नको लागि र एउटा कन्सेन्सुअल पोलिटिक्समा यो लोकसभालाई हामीले लोकसभाको कुरोलाई उत्तीर्ण गर्नको लागि हामी सबैजना यहाँ जतिजना पार्टिसिपेटिङ पोलिटिकल पार्टीजहरु थिए आफ्ना आफ्ना दलगत राजनीतिबाट माथि उठेर कमन स्ट्र्याटेजीमा काम गर्ने यस रेजोल्युसनमा हामी सबजना सहमत भएका छौं. We've all agreed to the resolution to rise above party lines and to work towards a consensual strategy for the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha elections in the Darjeeling constituency. र अब यही resolution लिएर with NGC also as participant and as facilitator for this consensus building हामी अगाडि बढ्ने छौं र सबै पार्टीहरु यसमा सहमत भएका छन् कि हामी पार्टीदेखि माथि उठेर दलगत राजनीति पार्टिजन पोलिटिक्स देखि माथि उठेर हामी एउटा कमन कन्सेन्सुअल स्ट्र्याटेजीलाई हामी तयार गर्नुमा हामी आफ्नो एक्सरसाइज सुरु गर्ने छौं र आजको यो रेजोल्युसन हाम्रो युनानिमस रहेको छ.
To ensure Gorkha unity and to ensure that some kind of a consensus comes up between the political parties. That was the aim for today. Now hereafter you will have subsequent meetings along with all the parties, where then this other issues will then come up for discussion. It was not discussed today.
If members of the NGC is asked to contest the elections consensuously by all the parties, will you agree?
That's a very speculative question. We would not like to answer that.
We have always said that the NGC is a non-political kind of a committee. Yeah.
We offer no comments.
We offer no comments on that.
But consensus candidate could be from the NGC.
No, we have just said it's a consensual strategy. We have not reached the stage of projecting a consensual candidate. Candidate was not discussed today. That is not on our agenda today. It was a consensual strategy that we are trying to work out, and I think we've been successful because we have all agreed to rise above party politics and work towards a common strategy.
And and in a democracy, every party has got the right to speak. Every party has got a right to their own views, to their own opinions. So it's okay if every party puts up a candidate, but then the idea is to then bring everyone onto one platform. That's why I said in the very beginning. And that is what we had wanted to achieve today, and I think we have achieved it 500%.
तपाईको प्रश्न जो छ कि सबै पार्टीले आफ्नो आफ्नो क्यान्डिडेट दिने जो कुरा छ, इनिशिएटिभ लिने जो कुरा छ, त्यो कुरोको पनि आज विस्तारमा चर्चा भयो आफ्नो आफ्नो पार्टीको इनिसिएटिभ एज अ पोलिटिकल पार्टी एभ्री पोलिटिकल पार्टी हेज अ राइट टु टेक अ पोलिटिकल इनिसिएटिभ वी रेस्पेक्ट द्याट राइट हामी त्यस अधिकारको सम्मान गर्छौं हामी एभ्री पार्टी हेज अ राइट टु पुट अप अ क्यान्डिडेट एभ्री पार्टी हेज अ राइट टु टेक अ पोलिटिकल इनिसिएटिभ त्यसको हामी सम्पूर्ण सम्मान गर्छौं तर आज हामीले कुन कुरोमा सहमति पुगेका छौं भने हामी मान्छौं यो एउटा ठूलो कदम हो हामी सबको लागि एउटा सामूहिक ठूलो कदम हो हामीले यो कुरोमा एग्री गरेका छौं कि जुनै इनिसिएटिभ भए तापनि we will work towards a consensual initiative no matter who begins the initiative no matter who takes the initiative secondly very important resolution चाहिँ के छ भने we will all rise above partisan politics party based politics भन्दा माथि उठेर हामी एउटा consensual approach मा हामी एक्सरसाइज गर्ने छौं and that is why it does not matter now who takes the initiative because anybody who takes the initiative has this resolution in mind that we will rise above party politics and not promote a particular party. So we are sure about that. We are all agreed upon that resolution.
But if everyone takes an initiative, who finally takes the initiative?
See, the talk about a candidate is something that comes in the second and third phase. Today we had the first phase to cross, which we have successfully crossed. The first hurdle that we have successfully crossed is that we have all agreed to rise above पार्टी पोलिटिक्स पार्टीको पोलिटिक्स भन्दा पार्टी आधारित पोलिटिक्स भन्दा माथि उठेर काम गर्ने यसमा हामी सबैले आफ्नो सहमति जताएका छौं र दोस्रो चरण तेस्रो चरण जसो जसो हामी त्यो चरणमा पुग्छ हामी काम गर्ने छौं तर प्रमुख चरण आज हाम्रो सहमति नै नभएको भए त्यो चरणमा हामी पुग्ने नै थिएनौं बट वी आर कन्फिडेन्ट दैट बिकज वी हेभ नाउ एग्रीड टु राइज अवर पार्टी पोलिटिक्स एन्ड टु वर्क टुवर्ड्स अ कन्सेन्सुअल स्ट्राटेजी वी आर कन्फिडेन्ट दैट whenever we reach that phase we will be able to successfully handle that stages as well.
Winning the Darjeeling seat is not only about Darjeeling unity, right?
True.
It also means a lot of votes needs to be cast from the plains area. So that basically means Congress, CPM, which are the BJP and the TMC, which are the predominant force in the plains. But our initiative now, that's basically for democracy, that's what they say. And then it's that I think is also building up for a consensus candidate. There's CPM and Congress is also there. So what is your stand right now? I mean, are they in this particular initiative?
As I said, these are phases that will follow. The first phase that we need to ensure is that the parties in the hills are all together. If we are not together, we will never reach that stage where we can speak to or negotiate with parties from the plains. This will come later. As I say, we'll cross the bridge when we reach it. But it is important that before we reach that stage, before we reach that phase, it is important that at least all of us here in the hills work together and are agreed upon working towards a consensual strategy. And I think that is the first step that we have successfully negotiated, and we are therefore confident that we should be able to successfully negotiate all other phases that come our way.
Are you also inviting the Morcha 1 and 2, whatever they call it, the Morcha to
हामीले सबैलाई बोला.
They were invited. All the parties were invited. We didn't leave any party uninvited. They were all invited. Okay. And it's just that they didn't come. That's different.
The BJP.
Yeah, in the BJP. Yeah. No, the BJP didn't come, but they were invited.
BJP was invited.
Yeah, they were all invited.
TMC was also invited.
Yeah.
Manishji, आजको जुन यो तपाईहरुको अल पार्टीको जुन मिटिङ गर्नुभयो यो मिटिङमा पहाड बेस जति एउटा पार्टी थियो सायद तपाईहरु बोलाउनु भयो यो दार्जिलिङ सिटमा जुन भोट एउटा फ्याक्टर छ प्लेन्सको एउटा मेजोरिटी भोटको छ त्यो आधारले तपाईको दार्जिलिङ पहाडको भोट दिएर तपाईहरुको क्यान्डिडेटलाई जिताउन सम्भव छ तपाईलाई लाग्छ किनकि तपाई हेर्नुस् सीपीएम कांग्रेस व्यतिरिक्त तपाईहरुको जोटलाई अधुरा जस्तो लाग्दैन किन तलको यो सिट जित्नको लागि
यस विषयमा आज हाम्रो बृहत चर्चा भयो किनभने 2019 को लोकसभाको सन्दर्भमा हामीले आज यो सब डिस्कसन गर्यौं र सन्दर्भमा डिस्कसन गर्दा यो प्लेनको कुरा पनि जो तपाईले भन्नुभयो समतलको कुरा पनि हामीले गर्यौं तर जसरी मैले भने त्यो समतलको कुरो दोस्रो या तेस्रो चरण हो पहिलो चरण कमसेकम पहाडका हाम्रो राजनीतिक पार्टीहरूले आफ्नो एउटा निर्णय लिनुपर्ने थियो र त्यो निर्णय आज हामीले सफलतापूर्वक लिन सक्यौं त्यो प्रथम चरण हामीले सफलतापूर्वक उत्तीर्ण गर्यौं त्यो चरणको हामीले प्रथम चरणलाई हामीले सफलतापूर्वक हामीले ह्यान्डल गर्यौं र यसैले हामी आश्वस्त छौं कि दोस्रो तेस्रो चरणमा पनि जति यसमा चरणहरू छ ती सबैलाई हामीले युनाइटेड भएर पार्टीदेखि माथि उठेर काम गरेर पहाडको हितलाई हामीले अगाडि राख्न सकेर समतललाई पनि लिएर हामी काम गर्न सक्छौं भन्ने हामी कन्फिडेन्ट छौं
तपाईहरुको भित्रमा अहिले पनि कोही पार्टीको डेलिगेसन टिमको मेम्बरहरु छ जो यस्टरडे उनीहरु पनि अनाउन्स गरेको छ जहाँ कमिङ 10th को उनीहरुको पार्टीको क्यान्डिडेट अनाउन्स गर्छ
उनीहरुको अधिकार हो मैले सुरुमै भने हरेक पार्टीको एउटा अधिकार हो आफ्नो आफ्नो इनिसिएटिभ लिने आफ्नो क्यान्डिडेट अनाउन्स गर्ने र आफ्नो लोकसभाको स्ट्र्याटेजी अनाउन्स गर्ने सबै पार्टीको अधिकार हो उनको अधिकारलाई हामी सम्मान गर्छौं तर आजको दिनमा हाम्रो रेजोल्युसन छ कि हामी जे पनि निर्णय लिन्छौं हामी दलगत राजनीतिदेखि माथि उठेर हामी निर्णय लिनेछौं र हामी कन्सेन्सुअल एउटा निर्णय लिनेछौं भने आजको दिनमा हाम्रो यो सबैको निर्णय छ र सबैजना यसमा सहमत छन्